Oh yeah, check it out, folks. That's a 13 Honda Accord EX, and it's loaded, folks. It's got the nicer alloys on it. It's got the rear sport wing. Windows are lightly tinted out. 4-cylinder, automatic transmission, backup camera, side view camera, sunroof. No accidents, folks. 2 owners, over 20 dealer service records, non-smoker car. Push button start, remote start on this car, Bluetooth, hands-free calling, Pandora setup. Real nice piece, folks. I got the opportunity to drive this one to Pennsylvania last week, and I'm going to tell you, she drives phenomenal and gives you nice gas mileage. Just unbelievable how well these cars drive. Let's check it out again. Guaranteed credit approval is in full effect on this Honda. This is a $995 starting down payment car for bad credit, no credit, smashed up, tore up, broke up credit. This is the one right here. Banks love them, folks love them. The drivability is unbelievable, and it's going to get a 3-month, 4,500-mile service contract over the driveline. That's correct. We're going to warranty this vehicle. We've already serviced, inspected, and road tested it. It's the right one, folks. It's for sale right now. Don't hesitate. They don't last long. We've got 2 or 3 in stock right now, but you never know. DasCleveland.com.